So guys, we saw Stewart Friesen and Nick Sanchez brought out the sixth and final caution flag of the night at Bristol Motor Speedway in Saturday's weather guard truck race. The two were racing within the top 10 when they got together on lap 220 of the 250 lap race. Neither driver was able to recover in the rundown with their battered race trucks. Sanchez crossed the finish line behind winner Friesen-Nick in the 17th position, while Friesen finished 22nd. Unhappy with the end result, the two met on pit road post-race to discuss the run-in. The confrontation was captured in numerous angles on social media and seems to end just as it did on track.